we're here at the nature park. It's take 2. Hopefully this time I don't forget to put my camera the proper way, so I don't have to delete all the footage. But I did get a GoPro, so I'll be testing out the different angles, and we'll see how today turns out. I'll have to come back with the family, take a slower pace to it, and show you guys more details. But we'll at least bite through and see what we can come up with. So this is the sign. As you can see, we're at the bottom, and our goal is actually to get to the other side, the other parking lot, up top there, all the way over there. But yeah, we'll stick mainly to the red trail you see on the map, and possibly I'll go on that orange one that gets a little bit full of hills. So like you can see behind me here, it's a little bit of a lookout area. It's you got a picnic tables there, covered porch, and I'm gonna flip it around, show you a nice view. There you go, that's Mill Creek. I'm not sure if you can hear it in the video, but off to the left here, there's the dam. And I will be going there next time I'm here. You'll get to see that from the bottom. There's a little trail over here, and it goes right down, but you gotta hike down, so be careful. We're gonna head on into the trails and see what we can come up with there. Here's the nice bike here, the Scott Speedster Gravel. We'll be doing a product review and comparison with my friend's bike sometime soon. Just gotta try and find a time that works, and yeah, let's keep going. Wow, these trails are really nice. I gotta come here more often. Now we'll go down. What goes down must come up. And back down. Yes, I am taking it slow. do want to show you guys this next section here, the other downhill spot, but there's construction going on where I think they just built a new bridge this year. I'm not sure if it was this year, but they just built a new bridge anyway. And by the time I get to stop down here, it's downhill all the way, and it's a little dangerous. So I'm gonna walk down and show you guys what it's like, and we'll bike the rest of the way back up. You can see the bridge there through the trees as we're heading down. Hey guys, don't forget mosquito repellent when you get here. It's bad. You probably see it in the video. That's how bad it is. I wasn't planning on coming this way on this ride, but we're just gonna walk over to the new bridge. Check out the nice view. It actually looks pretty well made. Best bridge I've seen in any parks in quite a while. Nice little river here. So I've never been to this spot at all. It's all really new to me. We do have right behind me here the brook that runs through. I had a nice gentleman walk by and kind of explain to me how the rest of the trail here goes. And it's not really passable with my gravel bike, possibly with a mountain bike, but I don't have one at the time being, and maybe not this year at all. But we'll definitely come back on foot and explore up there a bit more. But for today, we'll keep going on the other path and head on home. Last hill, guys. Woo. So I just got back from biking, and we're actually in the backyard. The wife just brought all the plants from the basement out. We started growing them there this spring, and we're starting to harden them off. So I'm just gonna show you what we got out here. So this is the majority of what we planted this year. We are having problems with a few of them, but it's the first year trying it out, so we'll see how that turns out. The tomato plants in the back doing pretty good, but the other ones here not so much. So anyway, we'll see how they turn out. Hopefully it works pretty good once they're out. And yeah, the lettuce though, pretty sure we're gonna have to start them from scratch outside, but that's not a problem. They grow quite fast. And these are all marigold. Nice little green trees. It's like a jungle out here. But yeah, I'll show you guys the setup we have in the basement there once we bring these back in later. And it's pretty cool. Needs a little bit of tweaking, but yeah, it's getting there.